Our Yorkshire Farm fan was left gutted after driving to Ravenseat Farm to find out the venue was closed. Owen's cafe was unfortunately shut when one fan made a special trip to the Ravenseat location in a bid to see the farm, but was left bitterly disappointed. The unlucky fan checked the opening times, and despite being told it would be serving tea and coffee, the cafe was empty. The Mirror reports that Amanda, 48, may have delayed the opening following difficult time in her personal life. Taking to the star's Instagram page, they wrote, "Your website said you were open yesterday, but when we got there the closed for winter sign still on gate. Such a shame." The shepherdess has just made her return to social media after her ex-husband Clive opened up about their split on ITV's Lorraine. The mother of 9 hadn't posted on Instagram in over a month, so fans were delighted when she returned with a cryptic post hinting towards her split from Clive. Amanda returned to Instagram with a carousel of photos of her children and sheep on their farm. "Trials and tribulations," she captioned alongside a slew of sheep emojis. It's been reported that after splitting with her husband of 22 years, Amanda has been focusing on her children as well as a blossoming new relationship. Amanda and Clive called it quits last year after telling fans the decision was the right choice for their family. Farmer Clive opened up about the reason behind their split, and told viewers he blamed himself massively. Speaking on the Lorraine show, he said, "I sadly made a right mess of things basically. I had a massive part to play in the relationship ending. A massive part to play. I was ranting and raving and drinking and carrying on. I don't know, jealousy. It seemed to eat away at me and I handled it badly and I behaved badly towards her. I should have been supportive. It's been really upsetting. Amanda's having a tough time at the moment. I just feel I can't sit back." I have to say something in her defense, she's a remarkable woman. We just got to the point where we couldn't be together anymore. Newsletter here.
From above.